Welcome to EffiChem's tutorial on using the Master Data tool to save time and increase efficiency. As you know, EffiChem is the only LIMS QMS software integrating method validation and Part 11 record keeping. You also know that every second you can save in process improvement is worth saving. For example, using a streamlined process to save 2 minutes every time you have new data means that by the end of the year, you're saving weeks worth of time. That's time you can use for things like other projects or to take on more business. Today, I'll show you just one of the ways EffiChem makes that savings possible. Let's get started. So I've already logged into EffiChem, and I'm looking at, in this case, the Samples module. Here in the menu bar, you'll see the Master Data button. This Master Data functionality allows you to save time when repeatedly entering records of the same type by creating a template. For example, a specification for a frequently tested product or raw material. You can use it to save time when entering equipment records. If you wanted to, you could create master data to repeatedly enter kappa or out-of-spec results. But I hope you don't. And you can create as many of these master data templates as you need. So you can have one for a particular spec, then a second for another spec, then a third, etc. As you can see here. By using this data function, you save yourself the time of creating a completely new record whenever you enter it. Over the course of a year, that's going to be a lot of time. Now, how do you make this happen? To create a master template, first select the Master Data button from any module you need. Here, you will see the existing specs or templates that have been created. Inside each, you'll see pre-prepared data fields. All you need to do when creating a new sample record is to select the right master template, then enter the data. To start this process of creating a new master data template, select the Master Data button in the module where you want to create the template. Now click New and enter the type of master data and click Save. Now you can see the blank template. Each of these fields can be configured as free text, as a drop-down, or to select the one or two most common options in your lab. Here in my demo version, there is a combination of those options. I'll start by entering information. Some of these fields in my template pull from existing fields in the static data section of EffiChem. For example, material item has its own section. Approved by comes from personnel. Because I'm in the Samples module, I know I'll need to enter some results when using this template in the lab. I have the option to add a series of test results that I will enter later. In this case, say I'm going to enter appearance, identification, assay, and water content. I click New and select the parameters. Now I click Save to create the template. To record my results in my master data template, I go to the Samples module, then I click New, and I select my template from this specification. And I can simply then enter the data into the record. And then I click Save. By using master data, I've streamlined my process, making something that was simple and straightforward, e.g. entering information into EffiChem, even faster. I've reduced time, but also the risk of transcription errors in the record itself. Thanks for watching. For more EffiChem tutorials, visit this page or www.effichem.com. Is there a specific question you have or tutorial you're missing? Don't hesitate to contact us or your local distributor, and we'll get you the information you need.